Agua Yaku presents Constructing a Percussion Drill Bit with Built-in Valve. Here's an exploded view of the parts you will need. You may want to pause the video here to take notes. Here's a view of the completed bit. Step 1. Constructing the head. Cutting the triangle pieces out of leaf spring steel. Here are the 3 pieces of metal cut for the head. Grind the blade smooth, removing the excess melted metal. The 3 triangle pieces are welded together. Grind a 45-degree angle on each side of the blade head. Here's the completed head. Step 2. Making the valve. Weld a bulb on the head of a 5/8 inch by 4 inch bolt. Grind the bulb to make a round head on the end of the valve, about 1 inch in diameter. Here's the before and after view. The valve fits into a 3/4 inch by 1 1/4 inch reducer coupling, and the valve will be welded to the head of the bit. Step 3. Making the body. Fill in around the outside of the 3/4 inch coupling to prevent the coupling from expanding with use. After grinding, the 3/4 inch end of the reducer coupling should fit snugly into the 1 1/4 inch coupling. The 2 1 1/4 inch couplings are welded together, and then a 1/4 inch thick ring of harder steel is welded around the joined couplings. Grooves are grinded into the newly formed ring in order to prevent suction in the well, making it easier to pull the rig up and down. The 3/4 inch reducer coupling is welded to the joined 1 1/4 inch couplings. Here's a before and after view. Additionally, a ring cut from a car leaf spring may be used to reinforce the bit where the head comes into contact with the body. The completed body ready to be joined with the head. To increase the diameter of the well shaft, 1 inch rebar pieces are added to the body. After welding the head to the shaft, the bit is ready for use. Variations of the bit include a stationary head and/or a more blunt head for drilling in rock. In this variation, a piece of rebar is welded to the end of the bolt, making a T. Questions concerning the construction of this bit can be directed to beamsclan@yahoo.com. For a more in-depth look at constructing this type of drill bit, including photos with step-by-step instructions, please visit our website, aguayaku.blogspot.com.